1979.
On air, online and on your smart speaker.
Royal Copenhagen, open every day for breakfast, lunch and desserts.
SAFM News Briefing.
Servicing Australia since 1979.
Hello there, Damien Carven with your news briefing. It's been dubbed Danger Day across New South Wales, with the state to expect flood and storm conditions to worsen over the next 24 hours. There's currently 62 flood warnings in place and a severe weather warning for heavy rain and damaging winds for Sydney, the Hunter, the Illawarra and South Coast. Senior meteorologist Dean Narramore says the worst will come late tonight.
Where we could see minor to moderate flooding in these areas, as well as strong and gusty winds, particularly in the early hours of tomorrow morning, particularly around coastal locations. So a lot of weather, unfortunately, going to occur right across the state in the coming 24 hours.
The Australian Defence Force set to provide aerial support for nighttime flood rescues. The Macquarie and Bogan, just some of the rivers that are now being monitored. Well, in Queensland, a thunderstorm warning has been put in place for the Darling Downs and Maranoa areas for tonight. The Bureau predicting it'll come along with some heavy rainfall and damaging wind gusts. The SES in Victoria taking over 700 calls for help as Melbourne's CBD copped half its October average in an hour. The Grapevine Music Festival in the Yarra Valley has been cancelled for tonight. There's reports of water flooding through parts of the area which made it impossible to go ahead. In other news, witnesses say a car was airborne as it ploughed into a St Mary's home, killing a 62-year-old woman inside. Police in Sydney's West allege the driver fled the scene with her baby. She's since been arrested. 3 other people that were in the home at the time were unharmed.
Join the community that helps make wishes come true. Visit makeawish.org.au to make your donation today. That's makeawish.org.au.
In sport, it's a wild and wet Mount Panorama this afternoon with the final practice session well underway. Earlier, Michael Caruso in Mark Winterbottom's Commodore became bogged in the sand, while Jamie Whincup went into the wall. There's 2 games in the Sheffield Shield this afternoon. It's lunch in Adelaide. Victoria 2 for 97 in their second dig. They lead South Australia by 177 runs. While Tasmania in their second innings, a short time ago, none for 2. They're trailing Queensland by 309 after they hit 458 in their first innings.
Buying or selling for all your residential properties, you'll have one and done. This is SAFM weather.
A partly cloudy day with a chance of rain for the Limestone coast, a top of 15 degrees, dropping down to 5 degrees overnight. And tomorrow, a partly cloudy day, a top of 16 degrees. A listener app is your new home for local news. Download now to listen live or on demand.